Hey there! Today we're diving into a fascinating problem involving GNU awk and POSIX specifications. The issue revolves around conflicting treatments of the backslash symbol in a bracket expression as highlighted by experiments with GNU awk and grep. The GNU awk manual claims that the treatment of the backslash in a bracket expression aligns with POSIX, but the experiments seem to suggest otherwise. So, where does the truth lie in this awk-ward situation? In the solution, we unearth a crucial piece of information from the POSIX awk spec that sheds light on the backslash mystery. The table under regular expressions in the POSIX awk spec explicitly states that the backslash escape sequences should be recognized both inside and outside bracket expressions. This means that GNU awk's interpretation of the backslash in a bracket expression as an escape character is indeed aligned with POSIX specifications. Mystery solved. To wrap it all up, it's clear that GNU awk's handling of the backslash in a bracket expression is in harmony with POSIX guidelines, despite initial appearances. Next time you're delving into awk territory, remember the nuances of backslash escapades. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your awkward experiences. Until next time, happy scripting!